Okay, so last time we discussed about functions, okay? So just a recap, yung function will be of this notation. So we have f of x, okay? So we have 3x plus 5. So last time yung sinabi ko, we could make a notation for every function. So we could use f. Another one, we could able to use an h. So any small letter. So let's say we could make this one negative 2x minus 7. Okay? So we could also make another function, let's say g of x. Let's say we make this one x squared plus 5. Okay? Now today, we're about to do some evaluating of functions. So mean to say there is a specific condition for the variable value of x. Okay? So just to give you an example, for example, number one, on this problem, f of 3 means to say is you are about to use the function f, and whenever what's the variable x, you have to replace it by 3. So in short, you have to use this. So gagamitin mo tong function na to, and lahat ng x papalitan mo ng 3. So which is this one, right? So let's work it out. So we have 3, so we replace every x by 3 also, plus 5. And we just have to evaluate what's the value of f of 3. So we just have to do the multiplication. So that 3 times 3, that's 9, plus 5. And that will gives us 14. Okay? Let's have another example. We have h of negative 5, for example. So you have to be careful about which function to be used. Since in number 2, we're talking about the function h, mean to say you have to use the function h. So in short, we just have to replace every x here on the function h, and then we just have to replace that by 5. I mean by negative 5. So we have negative 2, we have negative 5 here, minus 7. And we just have to perform PEMDAS out of this. So we have negative 2 times negative 5. That gives us positive 10. We subtract it by 7. So that will gives us a value of 3. So therefore, that's the value of h of negative 5. Okay? So, madali lang pag may mga constant value. You just have to replace it to the x. Okay? So, another one is, hindi naman sa all the time that a value for x ang ginagamit. It could be a variable also. So, for example, you have f of x plus 4, for example. So, mean to say, you just have to replace every x by x plus 4 on the function f. So, ito yung function x natin, function f. So, I would recommend you to put a parenthesis. So, i-replace natin yung x by parenthesis. There. And yung x, papalitan daw natin ng x plus 4. So, that will be gives us x plus 4. So, nakukuha. So, again, yung x dito sa function f, which is this one, ang nangyari, yung x dyan, napalitan lang ng x plus 4. Okay? So, actually, that's already the value for f of x plus 4. Now, one of the golden rule din kasi, kailangan i-simplify yung function. So, in short, you have to perform some algebra out of it. So, what we have here is the positive 3. I-distribute lang natin to with the rest. And what that will gives us 3x plus 12. So, in short, you just have to perform simplification of the expression. So, we have 3x. So, we have to combine the 12 and the 5. That will give us 17. Okay? So, that's it. So, humihirap din yung function depende, okay? Take a look at this one, guys. So, I hope you'll be familiar on how the notation works. So, what happens here is yung h of natin, ang ano daw gagawin sa h? Yung x sa h. So, ito yung function h, which is the green one. Yung x daw dito, papalitan daw natin ng g. So, that's the meaning of the question number 4. Okay? So, let's give another space here. So, lagay ko solution dito. So, we have a function h. So, we have -2. Tapos, yung g natin. Well, I would recommend you to put it a parenthesis first. Something like this. So, that will be -2, parenthesis, -7. Mhm. Got it. There is this first. -7. Mhm. There. So, again, we just have to put the g inside. Yung value natin for g will be x squared plus 5. We have -7 here. And you just have to perform the algebra. This is the property that will gives us -2x squared minus 10 minus 7. And that will gives us, as we simplify, so combine like terms, that will gives us -17. And that's it. So that's how to evaluate the functions. Okay? So I guess that's all for today, and we're gonna discuss this on further on the next meeting. So have a practice on the problem set that will be shown afterwards, and see you on the next meeting, guys. Bye.